The low-temperature refrigerated box produced by Being is a professional equipment for storing drugs, reagents, and vaccines. It offers 3 specifications of 310 liters, 656 liters, and 1,000 liters. The instrument is equipped with an intelligent defrost function, a fin evaporator, and a 50 to 60 millimeter thick polyurethane foam insulation layer, which has a powerful and stable refrigeration system, which can maintain a uniform internal temperature. The overall frame structure of the box, which is sturdy and durable. There is a standard test hole on the right side, which is convenient for using external testing tools. The double-sided magnetic sealed glass door is more, which is convenient for direct observation of samples, and is equipped with a mechanical lock, while ensuring the safety of stored items. It can also ensure the refrigerator has good cooling performance. Each layer of the box is equipped with identification cards, which is convenient to mark the name, type, sample name, type, and classification. The shelves, treated with vegan treatment, can effectively prevent rust and corrosion, and the height can be manually adjusted, which is convenient for storing samples of various sizes. The box is equipped with a digital display with a password protection function to read the real-time data of the refrigerator and avoid misoperation. It can also use the panel switch and LED light inside the box. It is also equipped with 3 safety alarms: high and low temperature alarms, door opening time, overtime alarm, power off alarm. The bottom of the box is equipped with 2 mobile and lockable universal casters, which is convenient to move the box when organizing the lab. Being Instrument is your ideal laboratory instrument partner.